Can an app really make you a better parent? Absolutely yes. If your kid has a phone, you need Parentaler. As your kids grow up online, Parentaler is by your side, ready to help you meet any challenge. Whether they're 5 years old and just watching YouTube, or a teenager who's meeting new people on chat apps you've never heard of, Parentaler keeps you informed as they grow. So what can you do with Parentaler? Everything falls into 3 buckets. 1. Discover. 2. Review. 3. Restrict. First up, discover. With Parentaler, you can discover things like their current location on a map, or where their lost phone is. Wondering what they're saying and who they're saying it to? With Parentaler, you can read their text messages, emails, and even private chats on the top social media chat apps: Messenger, WhatsApp, Instagram, Snapchat. Parentaler captures their private conversations and lets you read them. Next up, review. With Parentaler, you can review various types of information: their contacts, recent call history, calendar events, and even photos and videos saved on their phone. There's even a keylogger that captures every keystroke as they type it. But don't worry about having to review everything on your own. Parentaler sends you keyword alerts when it notices inappropriate or prohibited words. Finally, let's look at restrict. With Parentaler, you can stop them from watching porn by restricting specific websites like adult content. Don't want them playing a specific game? Just block it with the built-in app blocker. You can even stop them from connecting to Wi-Fi if they're spending too much time online. Ready to discover better, easier parenting with Parentaler? It's easy to get started. 1. Go to parentaler.com. 2. Click the Try Now button. 3. Enter a few details, like your kid's age and what you're interested in discovering. 4. Enter your email to create your account. 5. Pick your plan and pay for it. When you're done, we'll send detailed instructions to your email. Simply follow them to get up and running. Parentaler, your partner in digital parenting.